my god.
And you just kind of hit really hard. Looks like you have really chapped lips.
Let me see. Oh god.
But I'm going to take that same shade with the big fluffy brush and blend it just right into her hairline because my bitch has got a forehead that we're trying to get rid of. I'm going to drag it.
Oh no.
I feel like I'm not supposed to do this, but you're not going to censor for it. So.
I hate you.
I like it looks pretty. I can't believe you're wasting this look and just taking it off now.
Look at all this blue on my face. I think this is better than what you did. Hi! Okay, so if you've been on my channel, then you know who this is. This is Nick. He's my best friend.
Hello, everybody. She brought me over here tonight for some reason.
I just like dragged him. Anyway, so you also all know that I am a professional makeup artist.
Probably know that I am not a professional makeup artist.
So what we're doing today, if you can't already tell by the caption, he's doing my makeup today. And I haven't told him anything. I haven't told him, so you all already know that I have a crap ton of makeup, like way too much makeup.
Well, when she says that, she's not kidding. It's like
ridiculous.
Her room. Whenever I come over here, it's scary. Like there's
Today
a lot.
I cleaned my vanity so I can put my camera up there.
It's a lot.
It's a lot. Anyway, so I haven't told him anything. I haven't told him what anything is.
And I asked her to also, and she still said that.
So he doesn't know what anything is. He literally does not know shit. So, good luck to me. Anyway, so he's gonna do my makeup today, and let's hope this doesn't turn out to be a disaster. For all we know, you're gonna do the best makeup that's ever been done.
I do, honestly, I will say, as like a introductory pregame thing here, I feel very strongly about this. I think I'm gonna do a good job.
I believe in him.
I don't feel like it's that hard. Like, I've seen things on social media, like I understand what goes first and what goes, well, I know
we'll just see.
We'll see.
Let's just cut to the what is it?
Okay, so here we go. We're starting. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna use is okay, again, I'm not an idiot, I know these things. This is foundation. I can tell that these things are foundation because they're in these like bottles. And I know that I'm scared that these are not foundation now. I'm gonna go with this Fenty Beauty, but this is a Vanish Seamless Finish and it says liquid foundation. So I feel like that's a safe bet. Soft matte. Oh, but this one's soft matte long wear foundation. Whoa. I'm gonna go with the Fenty Beauty just because I love Rihanna. I've picked up this tip just from like knowing you that you should squirt it on your hand first.
We're doing amazing, folks.
I'm gonna do like 3 little swatches.
Okay.
Is this a swatch? I don't know what this is. So now there's this egg thing that I was given. And it's wet because she gave that to me wet just so I didn't mess it up.
I really didn't want like splotches on my face. So.
But I don't know if the pointy side goes in. And so then we're just going to do some dots. And so far, I would think I'm doing well besides all the laughter here. So then I guess I'm going to take this egg thing and just...
What was that?
Start hitting her. I've heard this expression, beat the face. And what I think that means is like, beat it up, like hit it.
Oh no.
In like a safe, nice way.
In a safe, nice way.
I feel like you have to close your eyes because all of a sudden things are like... I don't want to get this in your eye or hurt you. Wait, I just thought of one more thing that I think is smart. Spread it to the neck because you don't want...
My neck is ticklish.
I feel like this is a nice tip. You don't want your foundation to not match your neck. So you have to really just be cool here. Play it calm. Sonali! Okay, ready? We're gonna play cool for like 3 seconds. I'm gonna go for it. Okay, so this is where things get tricky because I'm gonna be totally honest. After here, I have absolutely no idea.
Foundation.
All right, foundation check. I think you put concealer underneath the eyes.
Good call.
Now, don't tell me because I don't know what concealer is supposed to look like. I mean, I know what it looks like if I saw it, so let me just search for a second.
Okay.
Well, actually, already I kind of feel like it's this. So, lip serum. Yeah, that's not good. The good news is that I can read. NYX Professional Makeup Studio Photogenic Concealer. Okay, concealer. I found concealer. This says concealer, so I know that it's right. So I know that you're supposed to do the T-zone, which is like that. I feel like that's right.
Okay.
Know? And then also you go under the eyes, and then like a little like tribal moment.
A tribal moment.
We're gonna just because this is, I'm taking some artistic, I think like a little right there.
Okay.
Because that looks somewhat accurate to what happens.
Nick has been watching some videos.
Yeah, I mean, I keep up with the times. So I'm gonna take this damp thing, egg, and pat in the concealer now. I'm starting to feel like this was a bad decision. Well, no, okay, that was fine. This is where it gets kind of tricky.
I'm like...
I'm gonna say... Let's go for the eyes. Let's do the eyes. We're gonna try the Tartist
Pro Remix.
Sure. Shit, that's a lot of brushes. Oh yeah, here's the packaging.
I was like, he's not gonna show you, is he?
So there's this blue one called Art Deco, and it's like a bluey, lighty blue. So I'm gonna take it, and then I'm gonna tap out the excess.
Oh, he's learning.
And then I'm gonna have my client close her eyes, and I'm just gonna put it.
My client.
I'm gonna pack it on the lid, and I do like a motion like this. So then I'm gonna take a different brush and leave this here so you can wash it later because this one's called a brush.
A brush.
And I'm gonna do a little bit of this silver color called Splatter right here. I don't know how to do this. So we're gonna take Splatter and we're gonna get a nice hefty amount on there and tap it because there's a little bit of fallout. And then I'm gonna pack it on the inner crease of her eye.
The inner crease.
Oh shit, is that not a thing? To be totally honest, I think I'm doing a good job so far. Go with the darker blue because I feel like that would make the most sense to take a darker color. It goes light, medium, and then darker on the outside of the eye or whatever. So we're gonna go right on in here and just pack it on. Oh, mother. Hold on. That one is like definitely a more intense color. Oh shit, you're kidding. Alright, hold on.
He's blending.
And then we're gonna just make that look a little more like subtle. Okay, that honestly saved the whole thing. I stand by my decision. That was fine. I'm gonna pack it in really intensely and heavy, but it's okay because we've learned from our mistakes that you can take this fluffy blending brush. Oh, it's a little harder on this side though. I'm gonna stick with the eyes for now because I stand by what I've done and I haven't made any mistakes yet, which is like impressive to me. And then I'm gonna start doing some contour because that's another thing that people do in makeup. I want to say this is contour because it says contour kit on it.
Honestly, I'd like to say he's doing a great job, but also all of my products say exactly what they are on them, so he's cheating.
Okay, bitch. So I'm going to do some scientific method here. And this is genuinely my thought process. If it's wrong, then this is embarrassing, but if it's right, I feel really smart. This color over here has the most missing, so I think it's what she uses the most, which means I think that's her shade. That's what she uses for contour. So
can you explain why you got that brush?
Is this the wrong brush?
No, I just want to know why you got that brush.
I don't know. So I'm gonna have you make a face like this.
Okay, so a fishy face?
Mm-hmm. And then I'm gonna go right here in this like little hole in her cheek. And then immediately I'm kind of regretting this because it looks really intense. But if I take a really fluffy brush, which I think is a thing, this one's huge, I'm gonna just buff it out. Oh yeah, that looks good. I'm standing by this decision. I like it. That looks really good, dude. I like that. All right, so that I'm really happy with. I'm actually gonna take the same shade and I'm gonna go back in to her jawline right here and just kind of chisel her out a little bit.
I'm so ticklish.
And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side.
Jesus Christ.
There's a thing, and I know this because you say it all the time, nose contour. This brush literally just says Sephora, but I'm going to trust it because it has to be a little bit smaller. I'm going to go with a little nose contour. So I think that looks really, really good, but I'm just going to do a little bit of buffing and just kind of go like this to blend it in a little bit. try to find a highlight and highlight the bridge of her nose.
Ooh!
Because I feel like that's
did
something.
not come to play.
No, honestly, not at all. This is the Glow Kit, Anastasia Beverly Hills.
You said Anastasia instead of Anastasia.
Oh,
I
got
hate when people
this.
do that.
I'm gonna go with. I think I'm gonna go with Moonstone. This shade down here. It's like a peachy thing. I'm just gonna do a little bit right on the bridge of her nose. That was quite a bit, so I'm scared now. And I'm actually gonna do this. So I'm gonna take the same shade, Moonstone, and I'm gonna go in right above the outer top of her eyebrow.
The outer top of her eyebrow.
I don't know what it's called. I'm thinking we're gonna do a little bit on. Shit, I've heard of something called a Cupid's bow. I don't know where it is though.
Ooh, he doesn't know where the Cupid's bow is.
But I think it's definitely right, like here, underneath, right in the middle of your lip. Yeah, that's it. Actually, that's definitely it. And then buff it out. And then we're also going to take a little bit of a lighter shade. We're going to go with Summer, which is the top something. And we're going to put that on the upper part of her lip, right here.
Can I just say that's the Cupid's bow? That's a Cupid's bow.
Wait, what was the other one called?
That's just your chin!
Oh, whoops. Anyway. That looks good. I know for a fact this is a highlighter brush. I know it's a highlighter brush. And I'm going to take the shade Bronze. So now we're dipping into 3 in here. Or apples something. It's called an apple, I think. Or maybe it's not. I don't know. And we're just going to go really, really light up here through the eye a little bit. That looks really nice. I mean, honestly, at this point...
Are you a makeup artist?
James Charles is quaking.
James Charles is literally quaking.
And I love that decision that I just made. Next thing that I'm going to do is... it's like I don't want to touch the eyeshadow because I did such a good job, but I want to add a little bit more. You know what we're going to do? We're going to do this. We're going to find a shade that's really like really glimmery and just pack that on the inner crease, lid. And I'm just going to pack that in right there. And then what I'm going to try to do is, since she's doing like a bluey look, we're going to take the same brush in Lamar and do a little bit of a light blue color that doesn't have a name, but it's right here. And I'm going to pack that just lightly on the bottom by over here by the dark color that I used before. And just kind of blend that in.
Ooh, okay. He's doing the bottom. Okay.
And I think that it's nice because it kind of adds like a... What do you people say? Dimension or something? So we're going to take the same white color in the shade of Pencil Lamar, and we're going to pack it on her inner lid eye corner crease because that way you don't look like The Walking Dead, you know? It's just like a little...
It's just like a little glimmer of hope
right.
that this makeup look will not turn out like absolute shit.
Yeah, just like a glimmer of hope you didn't have before I started transforming you. Oh, by the way, this is the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Highlighter Fortune Favors. Okay. So I think I'm going to go in with lips really quick before I do some other stuff. And I'm going to go with, since it's like a bluey, shimmery... Yep. So I'm going to go in with like a nudie lip because of the rest, whatever, I don't know. This is called the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte. And what? It's... I'm reading the packaging, and she's might not understand this, but I think it's French. And I'm going to use...
Matte?
No, there's an E on this one.
Yep, matte.
Well, whatever. I'm going to have her do just like a regular look. Kind of is not doing good. I'm not a makeup beauty guru, but whoever Huda Matte is struggling. I think that Huda needs a little bit more work on her formula. Now that I'm packing on a second layer, it's doing fine, but I think that if you're going to use this lipstick, you should get a few coats.
It's because you need a darker lip liner, because it's like
This lip liner.
it's like merging into my skin color. Like it's the color is like the same as my lip color, so you need something that's darker to line my lips so it doesn't look.
So you know what just caught my eye? Huda Beauty Lip Contour Trends something. I'm gonna go.
Those are both not Huda products.
Oh, they're not?
Nope.
I don't know. They all look the same to me. Oh, shit. Hold on. Don't move. I promise I washed my hands before. That looks good. Yeah, I'll take that. I like it. Do you?
Uh-huh.
I would say I'm done. What else more do I have to do?
Okay, guys, so this is Nick's finished product.
I feel like we should get you in some really good light and show, because I genuinely think it's a good job. That looks pretty good, dude. I messed up a little, like the under eyes are a little intense with the blue.
I would say the lips definitely need work.
Look right straight ahead. The nose contour, I think, was a good job.
The nose contour is definitely not bad. It's a little intense.
Okay.
You definitely need some blending work.
Right.
Okay, guys, in honesty,
I know nothing about makeup.
he doesn't know anything about makeup, and like the blending is really like not the best, and like honestly, a lot of the things are
I
not
thought
the
you were going to
best.
be a comment. He doesn't know a lot about makeup, but his blending sucks.
The nose contour is spot on. It just needed a little blending. The eyeshadow is
Good.
never mind. The lipstick, okay, I love this lipstick. It just needed a little bit of liner, like lip liner. So I love this lipstick, but the only reason it doesn't work so well is because you need a lip liner that's darker that shows that you are not fleshed out. But
Which I did. I added that in afterwards, so whatever she's saying is wrong.
Anyway, foundation and concealer as okay. He didn't put primer on, which is fine because it's not like I'm going anywhere. That's my cat. Foundation and concealer were amazing only because they were my exact shades, because I have like my exact shades. I am so sorry. It looked like poop. It's all Nick's fault. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I know that this was an absolute shit show, and I promise this won't be the last shit show. I know you guys were expecting me to be like, I promise this is the only shit show. No. I promise this isn't the only shit show you're gonna watch. Stay tuned for more updates on me and Nick's life and my life and my makeup tutorials, and subscribe if you do not want to miss another video from me and or us. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Love you.
Bye.